86% cotton, 14% polyester. Made in the USA or imported. Generous 22 inches by 44 inches size. 86% cotton, 14% polyester. Extremely absorbent, durable and gentle ribbed material, perfect for cleaning and maintaining clubs. Made in India, decorated in the USA. Keep it simple with the classic striped Caddy Towel from Devant Sport Towels. Featuring 5 different colorways to choose from, this ultra-soft towel is woven from an extremely absorbent, gentle ribbed material that ensures an effortless cleaning experience, every time. Top review from the United States. Perfect golf towel. Good-sized towel to hang on the cart and use to keep your clubs cleaned. Holds moisture until the end of the round, even on the hottest days.